Surfer SEO is a tool that helps you improve your website's content so that it appears higher in search engine results by comparing it to content from other top performing websites. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about Surfer SEO's affiliate program and how much you can actually earn if you become their affiliate. Now, I've included the link to try Surfer SEO in the description so you can check it out if you want. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company with just a few short videos on this channel, many of which didn't even get 10 views. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing and if you want to turn this into a real business that could replace your job, I'll tell you the best way to learn affiliate marketing if you're a beginner at the end of the video. So now let's look at Surfer SEO's affiliate program. So here I am on their affiliate program main page, and as you can see, you actually have to apply to become an affiliate. They usually try to get back to you within 24 hours between Monday to Friday. And once you become an affiliate, you get a unique affiliate link that you can share on your social media and start earning commissions. So as you can see, Surfer SEO pays a recurring 25% on sales. So they have a bunch of paid subscription plans. And so, starting from $63 a month for 3 months all the way up to a custom plan. And so you can earn up to 25% recurring commissions on sales. So for as long as a customer stays subscribed to a subscription plan, every single month you're automatically going to get a commission, and this can stack up pretty quickly. So now let me show you how much money I made as an affiliate from a different affiliate program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now $89 might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.